Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Supabase, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Supabase website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow any password requirements displayed on the screen. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Supabase. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Supabase website. Log in using your email address and the password you created. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an option to create a new project. Click the New Project button to start setting up your first database. Fill in the required fields, including project name and database credentials. Choose a region for your database that is closest to your users. Once all information is filled in, click on the Create Project button. Wait a few moments while Supabase sets up your project. After the setup process is complete, you will be taken to your project dashboard. From here, explore the various features Supabase offers, such as authentication and real-time APIs. Continue to explore the documentation available for more advanced features and integrations. Familiarize yourself with the Supabase community and forums for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.